Hi everyone, welcome to Vinitha Studio. Today's recipe is sandwich recipe. It's a bakery style sandwich. You can do this in 10 to 15 minutes. It's a lunchbox or a breakfast recipe. Come on, let's get started.
Here I'm taking chopped cabbage, chopped onion, and grated carrots, and the two green chilies, one tomato, chopped capsicum, and half cup frozen green peas. To the pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, add mustard seeds. Now add 1 teaspoon of chana dal and 1 teaspoon of urad dal. It's optional. Fry it until it's golden brown and add green chilies now. Add onions now. Saute it well. Once the onions have become translucent, add quarter spoon of turmeric powder. It gives nice color. Now it's time to add all the vegetable, capsicum, cabbage, carrots. I'll add tomato later, otherwise it will be soggy. Saute it until 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, add tomatoes. Saute it well. Another 2 to 3 minutes. Add 3 by 4 teaspoon of salt. Saute it well. After 2 minutes, add 1 tablespoon of chili sauce. You can add tomato ketchup too. If you want to add tomato ketchup, you can add in this stage. Now the vegetables are cooked well. The curry is ready now. Take bread. Any kind of bread you can take. Here I'm taking wheat bread. Spread the vegetables on top of the bread. Spread evenly. Put one more bread on top of that, like a sandwich. Here I'm using panini maker. You can do this on pan too. Apply some butter on top of the sandwich when you are doing it on the pan. Now the sandwich is ready. You can see the beautiful color. I'll cut and show you how it looks from inside. I'm doing one more sandwich here. You can see soft inside and crispy outside. So sandwich is ready to serve. So do give this a try. Let me know how it turned out for you guys and share it with your family and friends. Thank you. Bye bye.